And as always, at the end of our time, I always ask for any final words of encouragement or advice that you can offer parents that feel overwhelmed and just uncertain about how to empower their child, how to get, through this, anything with the learning difference. I would love to share that with everyone.
I think I always tell parents, you know your child the best. And if you know your child is struggling, and no matter what other people are saying, he or she or they already have a proper accommodation, or they may not need this accommodation, but if you know your child is struggling, please don't hesitate, don't shy away, don't get discouraged to be an advocate for your child. Please be the voice of your child. Trust that the child brings some struggle, some difficulties, and keep trying. And if things are not moving, don't feel alone, reach out to people, mental health advocate, and keep trying, keep pushing. And also at home, provide some nurturing environment, so that will be healing both for you and your child. But just keep just believe in you. If you know that follow your gut feeling. If you know that your child is struggling and whatever the strategies is not helping, keep pushing for it.
Thank you so much, as always, Dr. Zushan. I look forward to our next time together, and just really appreciate you as a provider, your insight, your nuggets of wisdom, educating us on everything. And there's always such value, and I hope that other parents can find this as supportive as I do, and we'll tune in for the next time. So thank you, and I look forward to next time.
Thank you, and I can't wait to talk again.